This is a 60-second overview of WordPress 6.3. One of the things you'll notice right away is that these items have changed. This is also where you will find what's called a synced pattern, and it used to be a reusable block. Media is also very cool because now you can get images right from your media folder. Some of the blocks are new, and I would advise you not to touch any that are in the theme area. That is for the site editor, and that is where you edit the entire theme or the site all at once. The second thing you might see, we now have an icon. One is to view post in another tab, and one then gives you the regular drop down. Now, if you click here, this will take you to the site editor. The other option is to use the More menu, go down to Manage Patterns, and in here you'll be able to edit your patterns. That is WordPress 6.3. What do you think?